Hi, welcome to my channel. Today is special day. Oh, espérate. Well, today I'm going to, you're gonna see the face somewhere. I'm going to unboxing my first ever iPad, but it's gonna be type vlogging because, um, why not? So let's switch it. So I can't believe it's still here. Anyway, so it's been 2 weeks since I carried the iPad. Unfortunately, the iPad that I request is a 512 gigabyte, 11 inches. But that iPad doesn't have in the store, and if it qualifies for curbside pickup at the store, I'm gonna wait a little bit more. So they recommend me to deliver it to my house, and I say okay, no problem. But apart, and the same day, I just bought the Apple Pencil and generic but useful slim folio book. It has a keyboard and it works with Bluetooth and can help charge the iPad and the Apple Pencil at the same time. So let's get started. Open this box. I feel so nervous. I don't know how to. Let's go. Let's keep going. Ay. Don't do this at your home. Don't do this at your house. That reminds me of work. Woohoo! Ah, man. Oh my god. He's beautiful. He looks beautiful. I still can't believe it. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I hold in this. I work in a warehouse. I hold those kind of things, but having this in my house. Oh wow. What is this packaging? Okay. Wow. Wow. Let me take this. Pardon the mess, but wow. And let me take this up. Let me take this away. And let this. The, uh, I, I don't have mixed emotions right now. Let me see. Have some stickers on here. Okay. What I bought is an iPad Pro 11-inch 2nd generation, and I bought this in 512 gigabytes. It's an happy medium between, what is a 64, but they recommend me a terabyte, but my budget reaches to this one. And I was like this to buy the 12.9-inch, but I forgot the 11-inch. And but the budget reached me to this one. So it looks a good shape, a good size to draw. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just the right size. So I'm still struggling opening this. I think I got it. Wow. I don't know, Apple has something with the packaging that it has that slim. Okay, this is it. It came intact. Look at the camera. It looks like the iPhone 11. Guys, I never have an iPhone before, but I'm not interested in having an iPhone before. Sorry, Apple, but I already like this because I want to draw. Anyway, my goodness. Oh my God, still can't believe that it is all. Damn. Dios mío. Wow, it's crystal clear. It came without any scratch. Even though I see a kind of. Okay. I see like a tiny. Oh yeah, it's just dirt. I have to clean this really, really well before I start in the cover. But let me put this aside. So I like the tabs. I don't know. Apple has something with the tabs. To the left. It comes with a charger. It's a C tie. It's not exclusive. Anyway, that's the charger port. The cables. Even though, considering that Apple has a special type of chargers for the phones, this one it looks like a C type USB. Exactly the same. But I know that somehow it's still Apple. The sign of Apple in California, my God. It comes with the instructions and some instructions so you can how to set this up. Then I'm going to do this later. Um, the, the iPad Pro. This is the general information. Let's see. Nothing else. I know there's something more. That's all. It looks like a booklet. I guess that's it. All this packaging for a pamphlet, two papers. I think there's more. Oh, I knew it. Wow, stickers. So cute. I'm not going to put, well, if I have a card, I would put it in the card, but I'm just going to store it with my collection. That's, I think that's all. Everything's cardboard, but I'm going to keep it. Everything, I'm going to put this back and keep the packaging back in its place with the top out. So what I'm going to do, oops, sorry. What I'm going to do is to charge it and give it a couple minutes to charge completely because I don't know for sure that the tablet is dead. Uh, that's what I do with my devices. So what about opening this baby? And didn't open since the day I bought because I want to wait to the iPad right. So let's go ASMR. That's amazing. Oh my gosh. I feel like I still can't believe what I'm looking. Literally. It comes with a little pamphlet, the same thing. Instructions. It says replace the tip. Double. Oh, okay. I had to read this really. I had to take the time to read it because there's a lot of instructions I need to catch up. I think this is some general information and something about the battery and stuff. This packaging of Apple, and like I tell you before, I never have. The only product that I have from Apple is the Mac desktop. Rest in peace. But it was a used computer. I never had something like this before, so it's really surprising for me. And the designing on the packaging. Yeah, this is general information also. Yep, that's it. Look at the cardboard. It feels like it has full of papers and stuff, but literally none of them. I'm just going to keep this one, and also I'm going to start reading the pamphlet to just to make sure if it needs if the iPad needs to charge first before turn on, or the tablet came with the battery charge. I want to make sure of that detail. So I'm going to put this baby in the cover and I'll check you guys later. So as soon as I charge it, it appears so many languages, which is nice. I tried to turn on. So it permits to choose the language. I'm going to use English and the country. And it gives us a quick start. So I have to set up this and I'm coming back for you guys. Wow, I didn't know it has Siri. This is gonna be very interesting. So I just continue setting up. So I set a Siri because why not? And it gives me a couple sentences so she can recognize my voice, which it was weird, but anyways. Let me raise the. It's already set up. Oh my god. Oh, it's already charged. Let me take this off. Excuse me. Okay, you guys. Like the iPad, the iPencil is still charging, but the one. Let me get back to home. If you have the tablet, with the 4G, of course you can go to see messages. But now I'm going to go to the App Store and I'm going to set up some things, the car information, everything else, because I had to purchase the Berkeley. So to give you an overview, so hi, excuse my mess, my hair, and I also bird sitting the bird. And by the way, it's a boy. We just mistook him. So anyway, I just want to give you a little update. The footage was kind of messed up. I just left my phone camera for 8 minutes long and record everything except for what I want. And when I go to edit the video, I think I lost part of the content. So although I've been using the iPad for a week now, and it was, give me a sec. So it was my mom was request me adding tango for my sister, but anyways, I've been using the iPad for quite a while, like a week. I'm going to 2 weeks with the iPad, and I really like it. I want to do an update about it once I have it for a month or so. So, and make sure that I record everything right, and I can edit it with more, record it, edit it more easier and clear, so you can have most of the information. Still have get used to the system because I've been using Android for quite time. It's been almost 2 years not having a Mac with me. Rest in peace. So I really like the design. Really love the way that it's more simple. I'm going to try not to overfill with applications. For that, I can use my phone. I want to keep it as a tool for my future business and my art career. So I don't want to. I want to treat it as a tool and not overfill it with a lot of space in. That's why I had Drive and Google Photos to transfer. So yeah, I just want to end the video like this. And sorry I didn't have. I'm going to work on a new intro and getting used to the iMovie because it's more simplified than what I used to use. So give this video a thumbs up and make sure you liked it. If you already subscribed, hit the notification bell. So my schedule of uploading is kind of irregular, so make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be one of the first to see the video and not miss one of my videos. So I'm gonna give you an update after a month or so. So I can get used to see how was my experience with it. And so far, I love it. I really love it. I'm still really enjoy it, even though that I had to get used to the pencil, the screen, everything else. But I will leave that for my opinions for another video. So thank you so much for watching and see you guys later. Bye.